Hi children, everybody welcome back to once again 6th standard English grammar class. So in the previous class I have taught you the elementary negatives and questions. In this class I am going to teach the unit 5 or chapter 5 possessive cases of nouns. Possessive cases. It means the things which is owned by someone. Okay. How we should denote the possessive cases? In what way? How we have to use? Let me teach you now. Here, what is possessive case? The possessive case of a noun is usually formed by adding apostrophe s to the nouns, to any nouns. Not only the common nouns, this can be added even to the proper nouns too. Let me teach you right now. Okay. How? Apostrophe. Before teaching this, let me clear you one thing. Apostrophe means it is a symbol. It is one of the punctuation which has been written like this. I think you can see clearly. The comma which is written above the word. So that is said to be a apostrophe. Here it is. Apostrophe, yes. Okay. Let me going on teach you how and where these possessive cases and how it has been written. Okay. The first case. The apostrophe yes is used with the singular nouns. How we should use the singular nouns? Example. A man, job. Man is a common noun. For this, apostrophe, yes. A man's job. How it has written? A man's job. You can observe. Apostrophe, yes. Okay. This is how we can write or we will write or we must write for a singular nouns. Okay children. Next, a child voice. This is written like this. A child's. Child, apostrophe yes and voice. Whose voice? A child's voice. Okay. Have you cleared? One more example. A woman love. A woman love. Is this right? No, because here we did not show the possessive case or possessive noun. We have to add woman's. A woman's love. Next one. The bull horns. Horns means kombu, kodgalu. Okay. The is a particular, perfection, definite article it is. A is indefinite article. In the previous class we have learnt, okay. The bulls horns. Horns always on the animals there will be a two horns, not a single. Kodgalu, kombugalu. So it will be two. So here it is said to be a plural. Horns. We should not read it as horns. We should read it as horns. Okay. Bull's horn. Even though we have added yes, apostrophe yes, this is denoted as a singular, not a plural. This is about singular nouns. Then how we have to use for plural nouns? Come, let us see here. A simple apostrophe is used for plural nouns. How? So the examples for plural nouns. Here, look at the board. A girl's school. Girls. Girls is a after the plural word we should use only apostrophe. Next one, the students hostel. Students is also plural noun. So once again after the yes, I think you have understood what the concept is. One more example with this. The Malhotra's car. You can observe, children, the first one is a common noun, second one is also common noun. Here in the third one, this is proper noun. Malhotra. Malhotra is a proper noun. There are many Malhotras. It means the family members. Malhotras are families. There will be around 2 to 3 members. So this, the thing is belongs to Malhotras. So after yes we have to add apostrophe. Then for plural nouns we should add the apostrophe after yes. Okay. Here also it doesn't change the meaning as it is. After yes we have used apostrophe, so it will be as it is. It gives the same meaning. So now next move on to the another important point, that is classical nouns, names ending in s usually takes only the apostrophes. Classical nouns. There will be some of the specific nouns like this. Here you can observe on the board Pythagoras. It is one of the theorem which you can read in your later on classes. Okay. Pythagoras, Archimedes, Pierce. Pythagoras theorem. Here already you can observe the s is along with the word only. So for this we have to add by the end of the word end of the word apostrophe. Don't get confused, children, because for the plural nouns also we have used apostrophe by the end of the word. Here for the classical nouns, these are the words which are used not regularly, not too much regularly. Okay, so here this is used. Pythagoras is used very rarely, even though this is not a plural, this is singular word itself. Pythagoras, after yes we should add yes form. Okay, next Archimedes. Archimedes is one of the person and his name ends with s. So after yes we have to use yes form. Pierce. Pierce soap. By omitting these, this is one of the fruit. Okay. Pierce soap. Even though we have to use yes after yes. These are such words which we use very rarely. Okay, don't get confused for plurals and classical nouns. Okay, now next move on to the other one, that is the words which are very compound words. Which are those compound words? So my brother-in-law. For such type of compound means it is not a single word. In the one word there will be a 3 words like brother-in-law. For the last word we have to use apostrophe yes. Understood? For the last word we should use apostrophe yes. My brother-in-law. Brother-in-law is one word. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಳಿಯ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ possessive case, that is apostrophe yes. My brother-in-law's house. Okay, next the school teacher job. The school teacher job. This is one word, compound word. School teacher's job. The school teacher's job. For the last word, we have to use yes form. Okay, is that clear? This is for the compound words. For the last words, we should use apostrophe yes. Okay, next comes to the another type of words which are said to be initials. Example, headmistress. All the time we don't tell as a headmistress, headmistress, headmistress. We use the initials there. How? HM, HM. Okay, class teacher, CT, like this. For PM we use, for Prime Minister we use PM. For Chief Minister we use CM. For such words also we can use the possessive cases. How we should use? Come, let us see here in the next point. Apostrophe yes can also be used after initials. It means after that initials, completion of that initials. Here are some examples. The PM secretary. We can write like this. After initial we have to use yes. PM is a initial or a short form. You can know, you have heard the word short form. So like this, when we abbreviate it, when we expand it, PM is said to be a Prime Minister. Okay, the PM's secretary. It means secretary, you know already, it is nothing but a PA, personal assistance, helping in some other cases. Okay, next one, the VIP escort. VIP, do you know what is the abbreviation of this? VIP means very important person. Okay, for this, VIPs, VIPs. Okay, apostrophe yes. Okay, this is initial. Another one example, MP. It means member of parliament. Okay, the MP's briefcase. Briefcase, in your common language you call it as suitcase. So briefcase, a short bag which the people will carry for going out of station. PMs. PMs means member of parliament. Next come, that is CM. It is chief minister. CM means chief minister. CM's car. It means the car is owned by CM. It means chief minister. Okay, these are the way, how and where, how we should use the possessive forms, how we have to use the apostrophes, apostrophe yes. For singulars, how we should use. For plurals, how we should use. For common words, how we should use. For compound nouns, how we should use. So there are various words we have to use in different ways. So this is the topic, possessive cases of nouns. So you, the children, try some more examples and try to work out on this so that you'll get a habit and it makes you easy to learn. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a great day.